ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।
लंबोदरा हे विनायका,
लंबोदरा हे विनायका,
लंबोदरा हे विनायका,
लंबोदरा हे विनायका,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
शम्भुकुमारा कलुषविदूरा,
शम्भुकुमारा कलुषविदूरा,
शम्भुकुमारा कलुषविदूरा,
शम्भुकुमारा कलुषविदूरा,
सिद्धिसदन हे गणनाथा,
सिद्धिसदन हे गणनाथा,
सिद्धिसदन हे गणनाथा,
सिद्धिसदन हे गणनाथा,
प्रणवाकारा पशुपतितनया,
प्रणवाकारा पशुपतितनया,
प्रणवाकारा पशुपतितनया,
प्रणवाकारा पशुपतितनया,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
लंबोदरा हे विनायका,
लंबोदरा हे विनायका,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
शम्भुकुमारा कलुषविदूरा,
शम्भुकुमारा कलुषविदूरा,
सिद्धिसदन हे गणनाथा,
सिद्धिसदन हे गणनाथा,
प्रणवाकारा पशुपतितनया,
प्रणवाकारा पशुपतितनया,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
विघ्नहरण गिरिजानन्दना,
लंबोदरा हे विनायका,
गुरुवरना पावनना,
गुरुवरना
नाम
सतगुरु नाम गुरु नानक नाम
सतगुरु नाम गुरु नानक नाम
सतगुरु नाम गुरु नानक नाम
गुरुवर नाम पावन नाम
गुरुवर नाम पावन नाम
गुरुवर नाम पावन नाम
गुरुवर नाम पावन नाम
सद्गुरु साई बाबा नाम
सतगुरु साई बाबा नाम
सद्गुरु साई बाबा नाम
सतगुरु साई बाबा नाम
गुरुवर नाम पावन नाम
गुरुवर नाम पावन नाम
सतगुरु नाम गुरु नानक नाम
सतगुरु नाम गुरु नानक नाम
गुरुवर नाम पावन नाम
गुरुवर नाम पावन नाम
सद्गुरु साई बाबा नाम
सतगुरु साई बाबा नाम
सद्गुरु साई बाबा नाम
सतगुरु साई बाबा नाम
जय गुरु सद्गुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम
जय गुरु सतगुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम
जय गुरु सद्गुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम
जय गुरु सतगुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम
जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम
जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम
जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम
जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम
जय गुरु सद्गुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम
जय गुरु सतगुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम
जय गुरु सद्गुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम
जय गुरु सतगुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम
गुरुवर नाम पावन नाम सुंदर वदनी सुगुण मनोहरी
सुंदर वदनी सुगुण मनोहरी
सुंदर वदनी सुगुण मनोहरी
सुंदर वदनी सुगुण मनोहरी
मंदहास मुख शशिवदनी
हासमुख शशिवदनी
मंदहास मुख शशिवदनी
हासमुख शशिवदनी
सुंदर वदनी सुगुण मनोहरी
सुंदर वदनी सुगुण मनोहरी
चंदन कुंकुम अलंकृत वदनी
चंदन कुंकुम
शक्ति ओम 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 शक्ति कृष्णा कृष्णा राधा कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा राधा कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा राधा कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा राधा कृष्णा
गोविंद गोपाल वेणु कृष्णा
गोविंद गोपाल वेणु कृष्णा
गोविंद गोपाल वेणु कृष्णा
गोविंद गोपाल वेणु कृष्णा
मनमोहन कृष्णा मधुसूदन कृष्णा
मोहन कृष्णा मधुसूदन कृष्णा
मनमोहन कृष्णा मधुसूदन कृष्णा
मोहन कृष्णा मधुसूदन कृष्णा
मुरारी कृष्णा मुकुंद कृष्णा
मुरारी कृष्णा मुकुंद कृष्णा
मुरारी कृष्णा मुकुंद कृष्णा
मुरारी कृष्णा मुकुंद कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा राधा कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा राधा कृष्णा
गोविंद गोपाल वेणु कृष्णा
गोविंद गोपाल वेणु कृष्णा
मनमोहन कृष्णा मधुसूदन कृष्णा
मोहन कृष्णा मधुसूदन कृष्णा
मुरारी कृष्णा मुकुंद कृष्णा
मुरारी कृष्णा मुकुंद कृष्णा
मुरारी कृष्णा मुकुंद कृष्णा
मुरारी कृष्णा मुकुंद कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा राधा कृष्णा गोविंद गोपाल वेणु कृष्णा श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम
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 श्री राम जय राम सुंदर नाम
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 श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय राम मंगल नाम
श्री राम जय राम मंगल नाम
श्री राम जय राम मंगल नाम
राम जय राम मंगल नाम
श्री राम जय राम आत्मा राम
श्री राम जय राम आत्मा राम
श्रीराम जय राम सीताराम
श्रीराम जय राम सीताराम
श्रीराम जय राम साई राम
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 श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम
श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम
श्रीराम जय राम सुंदर नाम
श्रीराम जय राम सुंदर नाम
श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम
श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम
श्रीराम जय राम मंगल नाम
श्रीराम जय राम मंगल नाम
श्रीराम जय राम आत्मा राम
श्रीराम जय राम आत्मा राम
श्रीराम जय राम सीताराम
श्रीराम जय राम सीताराम
श्रीराम जय राम साई राम
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 श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम शिव शंभो नारायण
शिव शंभो नारायण
शिव शंभो नारायण
शिव शंभो नारायण
प्रतिवासा जगदीश्वरा प्रतिवासा जगदीश्वरा शिव शंभो नारायण शिरडीवासा जगदीश्वरा शिरडीवासा जगदीश्वरा सत्य साई शिव शंकरा सत्य साई शिव शंकरा शिव शंभो नारायण पतिवासा जगदीश्वरा शिव शंभो नारायण शिरडीवासा जगदीश्वरा सत्य साई शिव शंकरा सत्य साई शिव शंकरा शिव शंभो नारायण
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
गुरु नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे
नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे
गुरु नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे
नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे
सौराष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
सौराष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
सौराष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
सौराष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
गुरु नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे
नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे
सौराष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
सौराष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण 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 हरे
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
धिम धिम धिमि धिमि नटन शिवा ॐ धिम धिम धिमि धिमि नटन शिवा ताण्डव केळि विलास शिवा ताण्डव केळि विलास शिवा ॐ धिम धिम धिमि धिमि नटन शिवा लीला मानुष वेश शिवा लीला मानुष वेश शिवा लिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा आत्मलिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा बाल शिवा धिम धिम धिमि धिमि नटन शिवा तांडव केळि विलास शिवा ओम धिम धिम धिमि धिमि नटन शिवा लीला मानुष वेश शिवा लिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा ओम धिम धिम धिमि धिमि नटन शिवा
पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं 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 जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं शोक विदूरं सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे पिबरे रामरसं
There was one lady, much beloved by everybody, though she was very strict. Her name was Kalyani Sundaram. We used to call her Kalyani Auntie. Many of the senior people may remember her. Swami put her in charge of the Education in Human Values program in the beginning. She was the wife of a major general from the army. She herself was like a soldier. Very strict. She came from an army background. My mother was in charge of the Karnataka state. She was in charge of the Education in Human Values. Swami told her to gather a few teachers, Balavika's teachers, so that he could train them to become Education in Human Values teachers. So Kalyani Auntie gathered the names. My name was not in the college at that time. I had just finished pre-university. I was in PUC. And I was studying, I must have been 16 or 17 years old. The Education in Human Values program was for the teachers in the government schools in the state of Karnataka. So these Bal Vikas teachers were supposed to get the training and then go and train the government school teachers. That was the plan. So now this goes for the teachers. I told 2 stories to the youngsters here. I think I'll tell 1 story to the teachers. What do you think? Nice, good idea, no? Okay. So I became a teacher, and I didn't become a teacher. She had a list, and Swami, she gave the list to Swami. Kusma Kumari was there, auntie was there, Sunandama auntie was there. You know, all know Mrudula auntie, her mother. Sunandama auntie was there. So many wonderful, wonderful teachers who were Bal Vikas gurus. Swami chose all their names to become Education and Human Values teachers to go all over Karnataka. And when he looked at the list, he asked Kalyani auntie, why have you not put Geeta's name in this list? So she said, Swami, she's still very young. She is in college. We travel all over the state. She cannot miss college. So that is why I have. Though I had taught Bal Vikas by that time, you can imagine, from 9th grade till PUC, I had already teaching Bal Vikas for some time now. That is why we didn't put her name. So Swami said, no, young teachers should be there. Because when the older government school teachers see young people doing Swami's work, doing seva, teaching youngsters, they will be inspired by that. So young people should become teachers. So you take Geeta. So Kalyani auntie called me one day. I had come home from college. She had a funny mixture of Tamil and English mixed in. Ennadi, unna per podan sonnattaru Swami. She was not very happy at the choice that Swami had made. Because she felt that I would not be able to do my duty very well. So she said, what? Swami has told me to put your name in this Education Human Values list. So I said, what do I have to do, auntie? Anything to do with Kalyani auntie, I was not very sure if I wanted to do it. I told you she was like a military person. So I said, what do I have? She said, no, you have to come wherever we go to train these teachers all over Karnataka. Oh, good excuse. So I said, I can't come, auntie. I have college, I have homework, I have education, I have so many classes to attend to. Adu kuda sonne naan Swami kitte. I told Swami you are in college. I'm telling you, she was very unhappy about the whole thing. She loved me to death, but she was not happy to put me in that group because she thought I won't do my job. So I told Swami that you are in college, and you know what Swami said? Holidays le edutund po, Swami said. Take her during the holidays. So I got put into this group. I listened in the phone. I put the phone down. My mother was the Karnataka state. Mrs. Padmanabhan was the Karnataka state. She's sitting right here. I went to her and I cried. I don't want to do this education in human values, whatever it is. My mother said, what do you mean you don't want to do it? I don't want to do this. I don't want to go all over Karnataka state. I don't want to miss college. And I do not want to ruin my holidays going all over the place, teaching this to some government school teachers. I don't want to go. So I told my mother, can you please tell Swami, I don't want to go. So my mother said, there is no way I can tell Swami. My mother was very strict. She said, I cannot tell Swami. You don't want to do it, you tell Swami. So I said, I will tell Swami I have college. I will go to Vrindavan, I will tell him. My mother said, why don't you want to go and do it? Because all these ladies who are the Education Human Values teachers were all older than me. I don't want to go with these boring elders. They will talk about all sorts of things in their family. I don't want to go with them. I would much rather sit in the house and read Barbara Cartland and Milson Boone and all these books. I'm doing. My mother said, I cannot tell all that to Swami, you go and tell. So I went to Vrindavan. How to tell Swami that I will not do it? So I was sitting there saying, I have a good excuse, I have college. And then I can enroll myself into the summer program in the college. Sitting in the darshan line, Swami came. He said, Kalyani auntie phone chesinda? కళ్యాణమ్మ he used to call her, ఫోన్ చేసిందా? చేసింది స్వామి. చెప్పిందా? he said, did she call you? Yes Swami. Did she tell you? Yes Swami. Before I can open my mouth, Swami said, పాపం నీ కాలేజ్ ఉంది కదా, poor thing, you have college, is it not? Yes Swami. You do one thing, you don't go during your college time. Whenever there is holidays, you go. But Swami, summer program is only for 1 month. The other 2 months you go. Swami would not let. So beyond that I couldn't say anything. So I got enrolled into this education human values program, and wherever the program was, I had to go with Kalyani auntie. Now Swami did one thing. Because I was a young teenage girl, all these ladies, before going, Swami said, before you start the program, all of you come to Brindavan, I will bless everybody and give Pada Namaskaram. So Kalyani auntie said, all the ladies, I think we were 13 or 14 ladies, everybody come to Brindavan on Sunday morning. We all went and sat there. Swami is going to give Pada Namaskar, and Kalyani auntie will say, don't ask all sorts of silly things. Pray Swami that you talk nicely to those government teachers. That's all you have to pray. She had told us. We are all sitting over there. So Swami came, he blessed everybody, gave everybody vibhuti, and then he told Kalyani auntie and Sunandama auntie, see, Geeta is coming, she's a young teenage girl, so let her not travel by herself alone in the bus. You take her with you and you bring her back with you. Let her not travel alone, young girl. This is in 1972, 74 or 75, something like that. Don't let her travel alone, he said. Okay, Swami. So now that was a Veda Vakyam which Swami had said. So Kalyani auntie would tell me, hey, we are going to Davangere, you better be in the bus stop at such and such a time, we will all come, you go. Not only would she take me there, all these ladies were so loving, they would look after me wherever I went, they would make sure I had eaten properly, they would make sure that I had a proper place to stay, they would make sure I came back with them, they would make sure I reached home after the program. They really took care of me. But when you are a teenager, you don't want anybody to take care of you. You want to be by yourself. So this became one big headache. I want to go to the bathroom, one of the ladies will come. Iridi, na vare, ipo. So auntie will come. I want to go and drink. So, get some water for her. So they were not allowing me to move anywhere by myself. Swami solliturka. And kutava and kudapo. So this was going on. Come with me, go with me. One trip came in Bangalore to Tumkur. We had a program in Tumkur. So you all know Tumkur in Karnataka? Not very far from Bangalore, no? In 2 hours we reached Tumkur. So we were very happy because in Tumkur we don't have to stay there. We can go in the morning and come back in the night because it's nearby, no? Not very far. So the program was fixed. They had given me 2 topics to speak upon. One was Satya, Ahimsa, and the other one was development of character. 2 topics for me to speak. I prepared nicely. Actually, Kusuma auntie helped me very much how to speak for these topics. Prepared nicely. I was ready for Tumkur. Then Monday through Friday training program. So Kalyani auntie said, you come to that majestic bus stand at exactly 8 o'clock. We will reach that place at 10 o'clock. The program starts at 10:30. Everybody go together, come back together. So first day, Monday, I went. My topic was not there till Tuesday. Ahimsa is coming after Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema and all, no? So mine was little later. So I went on Monday, I didn't have anything to do. I just had to sit and listen to Kusuma auntie. I had listened to her many times. I had to listen to Sunandama auntie. I had listened to her also many times. I had to listen to Lakshmi auntie. Her also. Sitting there listening and listening and listening. You can't read a book or anything. No, we can't read a book when they are all talking. So we were just sitting there. Monday. Then I thought my program is not there till Wednesday. I think Wednesday it was. Tuesday also I didn't have. Why should I go on so early? My talk, on Tuesday my talk was at 2 p.m. after lunch. Why should I go at 8 o'clock in the morning with all these ladies and sit the whole morning listening to the same talks? Every HV program is the same thing. Till 2 o'clock I don't have I don't want to go so soon. What to do? But we have to go to Majestic first thing in the morning. So you know what I did? Forgot about the tape recorder. Swami knows everything. Forgot. Intane, kantane, gentane, ventane, eppudu untunnanu. I am with you, behind you, beside you, by you, behind you. Forgot everything. You know what I did? I told bye-bye to my mother at 7 o'clock. Okay, mummy, bye. I am going to Majestic for talk. In those days, no cell phone, which was very good. Nobody can call you once you leave the house. So I left the house. I didn't go to Majestic. I know these ladies have to take the 8 o'clock bus because they have to reach at 10 o'clock. Because the program starts at 10:30. They cannot be late for Swami's program, no? So I went to my friend's, my best friend's house in Shankarpuram. She said, hey, I thought you were supposed to go to Tumkur. I said, ayo, these old ladies are all going to Tumkur. Why should I go so early for my talk at 2 o'clock? If I leave at 12:30, I will be there at 2 o'clock or 11:45, 12 o'clock bus. If I go, I will be in time for my talk. Who wants to go with these ladies? They go on talking about this and that. Is so boring. You can't do anything. So I came to your house. So her mother made nice masala dosa and everything for me. I nicely ate, chit-chatted with her nicely. 11 o'clock I went to Majestic, took the bus at 11:30 because 12:30, 1:30 I'll reach. No, 2 o'clock my talk. Enough time. No problem. What is the big deal? I know how to go in the bus. I go to college every day. It's very self-confident. But what were the mistakes I had made? I had told my mother I will go. In my mind that was the truth because I am going. I just didn't tell her the time, that's all. Instead of 8 o'clock I'm going at 11:30. What is that? So I said I'm going. That poor Kalyani auntie at 8 o'clock, she has phoned my mother. Where is Geeta? Bus is ready. We are about to leave. Where is Geeta? Where is Geeta? Program will start. My mother said she left at 7 o'clock only. Then Kalyani auntie said, ayo, I hope she left one of the teachers behind. In the next bus you come, when Geeta comes you bring her because Swami said she should not come alone. So that poor teacher waited for 1 hour. She also had to go because her talk was there. So they were all completely stressed out. I didn't know anything about it. I happily came to Majestic at 11:30, got into the bus. The bus came outside near railway station. It went hardly maybe 2 kilometers outside of Bangalore. And suddenly the bus is making all sorts of funny sounds, which you have not heard before. And it shakes and moves and it stopped after 2-3 kilometers. So everybody said, ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಬಸ್ ನಿಂತೋಯ್ತು. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಸಾರ್, ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. You all understand Kannada? Good. He said, spark plug has gone, nothing is wrong with it, sir, we'll put. So the driver, after going about 2-3 kilometers or something, he did something, he moved this, he moved that, bus started again. It started to go again. We had gone about maybe 10-15 kilometers out of Bangalore, again the same noise. The bus is making all sorts of sounds. Bus stopped. So he told everybody, hey, get down from the bus, I will check it. So we got on. I thought, okay, still 12 o'clock. My talk is at 2:30 or something. I'll make it in good time. So got down. They stopped in front of a tea shop. You know, in the villages they have tea shops like that, like a dhaba. He stopped there. So I thought, let me buy some tea. I went there to buy tea. And as I am buying the tea, I am talking about Bangalore in 1975-76. It was an old-fashioned Bangalore, not so modern as it is now. I was the only girl in the whole bus, only girl with no elder or adult with me. I was a young girl, 16-17 years old. I got down and some of the men are talking to each other. Yaar saaktaro nodi sir inta henmakkalnella. He is talking about me. You can understand who is bringing up such girls these days. They are traveling alone with nobody to accompany them by themselves from city to city. What kind of parents these people are? They are talking, I can hear. I feel very bad because my mother doesn't know that I have done this, right? She thinks I have left at 7 o'clock. But they are commenting about my parents, about their upbringing of me and my character, all in that 1 minute. Then I am a self-confident young lady, so I say, ಈ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಜನಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೇನು, ನನಗೆ ಟೀ ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಕುಡಿತೀನಿ. Who cares about these villagers, what they talk? I can have my tea and go. Then after a little while, we get into the bus, little bit, starts the bus, he goes little bit more and stops. Then I start looking at my watch. It is 12:30 or 12:45. I know that if I have to reach Tumkur, I need 2 hours time. I will cross my time of my talk, which is at 2:30. At that time, as they say, Sankata Bandare Venkataramana. Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Saturday, your Swami, please Swami, make this bus start. Swami, I want to go for your talk only, Swami, not my talk. Hey, why don't you take me, Swami? All this Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram started. Little bit softly only, because still I was not too tense. It was still 12:45. Sai Ram, Swami, in my mind. Finally, the bus started. I arrived in Tumkur. This was a boys' college in Tumkur Boys' College. I get down there. I had gone there on Monday for the program, right? 10:30 we had all gone. So I arrived there in Tumkur. I go very confidently. I look at the clock, 2:20 or 2:15 it is. Oh, I still have 15 minutes time. No problem. I can go and sit in the back bench. By the time they all finish, it will be fine. I go there, in this big college on the first floor, we were doing the program in one room. I go there upstairs, open the door, there is nobody there. No program is going on. So I went from room to room to room to room. Nobody is there. Then I saw one fellow there, a peon kind of a guy who is working in the college. I went to him and said, Yellappa, nenne ee program ella start aitalla. Education human. ಅದ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕವ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸೇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಇವತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪೇಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೂವ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ವಿಚ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅದೇನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಇದೆ ಆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್? ಬೈ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. Finally, some fellow tells me it's at the edge of the set, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. He gives me the name of the college. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಇವತ್ತು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೂವ್ಡ್ ದ ವೆನ್ಯೂ, ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ರಶ್. ನೌ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಗೋ ದೇರ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೆದರ್. ಐ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್. Young ladies, remember, there was no other adult with me. It is 2:10 or something like that. My talk is at 2:30. Suddenly, there is a whole bunch of rowdy boys on cycles. They are going round and round and round in the playground. I am crossing the playground to come out of the college. They are going round and round and round around me in their bicycle, saying, hey, one is saying, will you come to movie with me? Come and drink some tea with me. They are going round and round in the cycle. And by that time I am a young girl, 17. I am petrified, I am scared, and I have come for Swami's talk. I am going to be late, and I start crying. Swami, where are you? I know I have made a mistake. I know exactly what I have lied to my mother. I have given trouble to Kalyani auntie. I have made one other person late. I have come to a venue that has been moved. I have to give your talk on time. I cannot be late. What shall I do? Swami, I am saying, I am so sorry, Swami, I am so sorry. I will never do this again. I will just obey what you say. There is a reason why you tell us to have a good way of doing things. I come outside. I am looking for an auto or something to go there. Suddenly one Fiat car passes me. It goes forward and stops and backs up. There's a tinted windows. I can't see who is in the car. It backs up, the window comes down, and inside the car, Swami's sister Venkamma is sitting. So my God is right. Why is this lady, elderly lady, sitting here in Tumkur of all places, of all the people to be caught red-handed? Should I get caught by Swami's sister? She comes and Padmanabh ammai kadu nuvu? She asks, aren't you Padmanabhan's daughter? See how we are always connected with our parents. Whatever we do, the reflection falls on our parents. Kadu? Yes, I am Padma. Good things if you do, they will say how good the parents, they have brought up the children so well. Bad things if you do, what type of parents they have brought such. So you are responsible for your parents' good names. So I said, yes auntie, I came for education human. Who does this education human program? She asked me. Kalyani auntie, I came. And I'm not telling the truth, right? So I said, I came late for the program, auntie. This program has been moved. Kalyani auntie, why she is doing the program making young girls come alone like this? I am going to tell Swami, young girls should not be coming alone like this. What is that Kalyani auntie doing making you come alone? Poor thing, she is shouting at Kalyani auntie too. I'm like, no, please don't tell Swami auntie, I missed the bus. She's like, I'm going to tell Swami, what kind of program? Making young girls come. Then she said, you sit. By that time she could see that I was crying, I was late, I'm all stressed out. So she said, you sit in the car. Her son-in-law was driving the car. She said, get her some tender coconut, I think. They gave me tender coconut, I drank it. We told the name of the place and he drove me to that venue. And 2:25, I'm there. Poor Kalyani auntie standing outside. எங்கடி போனா இவளு இவள் டாக் யார் பேசுறது இப்போ 2:30 who is going to talk about ahimsa? By this time I have given himsa to so many people and hypocritically I have to talk about ahimsa. I got out of the car and she grabbed Vandeya, எங்கே போனே நீ எவ்வளோ நம்ம காத்தாலே இருந்து I've been watching you from morning. Where did you go? She's shouting at me like anything. Then she sees Venkama auntie there. Then Venkama auntie, not to be outed, she said, what is this program you are doing without all these girls coming alone like this? Poor girl was standing in front of the boys' college, that too. All boys all over the place. She's standing there and all that, she said. And then they dropped me, you go inside and talk. They had to go. They left me there and they went away. Kalyani auntie grabbed me by my hand. She took me, dragged me, put me on the stage, gave me the mic, pace. So I spoke. Finished that program, then evening 4:30 or something it got over, got in. But what happened? After everything was calm, everybody finished the talk. She said, what happened? So I said, auntie, no auntie, I came to Majestic little late. I missed the bus. So the next bus was only at 11:30. Then the bus, I told all the truth. The bus gave trouble, then it started again, then it stopped, then I came to the school, the venue had changed, and then this, I didn't tell about the boys going in the cycles. She would have killed me. So then we came out and Venkama auntie, Swami, Venkama auntie, yanake nalla Swami is going to scold me and all that. She said, anyway, next time you come properly on time and all that. She told Papa she felt bad for me. We came home. I come to my mother's house. My mother said, hey, Kalyani auntie had called in the morning. Where did you go? She was so, you went to Tumkur? Yeah. I went to Tumkur. No problem. I missed the bus. I went in the second bus. I reached there. I gave the talk. Venkama auntie gave me a ride. All very nice, brief, concise way I told the whole thing, leaving out the real truth of eating masala dosa in my friend's house. Anyway, who will know? Swami is in Prashanti Nilayam. My mother is in Jayanagar. Kalyani auntie is in Indiranagar. The poor ladies don't know where the heck I went. So, that was 3 months later, Swami came back from Prashanti to Vrindavan. And our normal procedure was all the teachers will go to Vrindavan and Kalyani auntie will give a report of all the programs so far, what has happened to Swami. So we are all sitting in the line and we had nice hierarchy. First Kalyani auntie, then Sunadamma auntie, like that, according to the age and experience. I was the last one in the pecking order, youngest, last one. Swami went there, gave everybody Pad Namaskaram, everything, then he came. He came and said, Swami had a beautiful way. He could talk to you, but the next person cannot hear what he is talking to you unless he wills it. So he stood in front of me. Tumukurki ekkada poyinavu ani cheppava? He said, did you tell how you went to Tumkur? 3 months later. I had buried Tumkur in my brain. Oh, Swami. వాళ్ళతో చెప్తున్నా, షల్ ఐ టెల్ దెమ్ ఎంత బోరింగు, వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ విషయం మాట్లాడతారు. దే టాక్ అబౌట్ దేర్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ అండ్ దేర్ హస్బెండ్స్ అండ్ దేర్ చిల్డ్రన్, హౌ బోరింగ్ దే ఆర్, యూ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు గో విత్ దెమ్. షల్ ఐ టెల్ దీస్ లేడీస్? Oh, no, Swami, they think I'm a good girl. You know, I know, we know each other, but they don't know me. Leave it like that. Don't tell them anything. So shall I tell them where you went? Masala dosa baagundinda? How was the masala dosa? By that time I'm sorry, Swami, I'm sorry, Swami. Then he said, Sai Ram. So the pitch is going up based on the tension. First the slow Sai Ram, then higher Sai Ram, then higher Sai Ram. Chovi padipoyindi. My ears got a hole with your Sai Ram, help me, Sai Ram, help me. All this he is talking to me. Nobody can hear what he is telling. Then, you see, finally, did you understand why I told you have to go with your elders? Because when you go from town to town, sometimes it is not safe for youngsters. You must have somebody who will accompany you, who is responsible. That is why I told you. And he said, then you went on screeching so much, Sai Ram, so much you're screeching in my ears. You're screeching in my ears. That poor Venkama. Now I want to know why Venkama was in Tumkur. That lady should go to Puttaparthi or Vrindavan. Why she has come to Tumkur? So now Swami tells me, see that lady Tumkur, that Venkama was going to Shimoga, on the way is Tumkur. She got a headache, migraine headache. So they came to Tumkur to buy the tablets for her headache. Poor lady never had migraine in her life. But your Sai Ram in my ears, I had to give her headache. Because of the headache, she came to Tumkur for the tablets and she saw you and she helped you. Poor lady. I'm going to tell that Venkama why she got a headache. No, Swami, don't tell Venkama why she got a headache. 3 months later, it's all finished now, water under the bridge. Next time you better be obedient and listen to what I say. And of course, Swami didn't leave me off so scot-free. He never told Kalyani auntie and the rest of the people, but he told Venkama, who had seen me from my birth, you know why you got headache? That Geeta was in trouble and screeching Sai Ram in my ears. I had to give you a headache so you can go and help her to buy tablets. Till the day she died, every time Swami said, nee nunchi naaku talanoppu vachindi. Because of you, I got such a bad headache. Then Swami much later said, see, you're speaking about truth, you're speaking about dharma, you're speaking about ahimsa. Without practicing, if you talk, stage mein hero, life mein zero. Stage mein hero, life mein zero. So, this is what he said. And at that time, after all this incident was over, he materialized one watch for me. One small watch. So now that we are in the modern day of technology, I thought that I should use technology and make you all hear in Swami's voice what he said. Give me 1 second. You all know the quotation watch? WATCH, Balavika's children. What does W stand for? I want to hear it. Words. What does A stand for? T. C. And H. Okay, listen to this.
W, watch your word. A, watch your action. T, watch your thought. C, character man watch cheyali. H, watch your heart. Watch your watch.
Watch your watch, he says. Because he says, W, watch your words. A, watch your actions. T, watch your tatsu. సి క్యారెక్టర్ని చూసుకోవాలి, లుక్ ఆఫ్టర్ యువర్ క్యారెక్టర్. అండ్ ఏజ్, వాచ్ యువర్ హార్ట్. Watch your watch, he says, because you don't lose your watch. That's also important. Your parents have bought it for you. Look after your watch. That is what he told me and gave me a watch. That is how Swami used to teach. What a wonderful Balavikas Guru, is it not? What a wonderful Balavikas Guru. Wonderful Balavikas Guru. He never told us to do anything that he himself did not do. That he himself did not do.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे, स्वामी सत्य साई हरे, भक्त जना संरक्षक, भक्त जना संरक्षक, पति महेश्वरा, ओम जय जगदीश हरे। शशिवदना श्रीकरा, सर्वा प्राणपते, स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते, आश्रित कल्पलतिका, आश्रित कल्पलतिका, आपदान्धवा, ओम जय जगदीश हरे। मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे, स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे, नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ, नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ, नागेन्द्रशयन, ओम जय जगदीश हरे। ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा, सत्य साई महादेवा, मंगल आरती अंधुको, मंगल आरती अंधुको, मंदर गिरिधारी, ओम जय जगदीश हरे। नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम, नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम, सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम, जय सद्गुरुदेवा। नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम, नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम, सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम, जय सद्गुरुदेवा। नारायण समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा